With Survey, gather as many feedbacks as you can in no time. To create a survey, you just have to follow these 3 steps. First of all, click on the new button on your Klaxoon homepage and the suite of Klaxoon apps appears. Click on the survey icon. Get the survey name in the window that opens and choose an image from your computer to illustrate it. Click on Create. Second step, now you are in the Klaxoon Studio, the creation interface. To start easily, some parameters are applied by default. For example, here, the participants will be able to change their answers and see the results once they've completed the survey. The Klaxoon survey has 6 different question types: single choice, multiple choice, comments, 1 to 5 star ratings, rank, and categorization. To create a question, you just have to click on the appropriate icon. For example, a multiple choice question, then on the green button Add. Write the survey's question title and click on Create. Add the answers. If needed, click on the plus button to add others. Save. You can also add a media like an image, video, or even a description to accompany your question. Click on Save. On the side, your question appears in the list. And so on for all the others. You can also change the question's order, edit them, duplicate them, and delete them. Before launching your survey, you can preview it by clicking here. Convenient to test your questions and even see here what it looks like in smartphone view. And now you're ready! It's time to launch your survey. To connect the team, several options exist. If the participants are with you in the same room or remotely, click on the bottom left-hand corner on the automatically generated code. You can ask each member to scan this QR code or to log on to this address on the website and to add this code. If the participants are not with you, you can whether send them the connecting link or invite them directly via email by clicking on the name if they have a Klaxoon account or on the email address. Each member joins the activity by filling in its profile and by clicking on Join. And we're off! It is up to anyone to answer or to skip to the next question. Once the survey is done, each member can leave a comment to the group. And for you, as soon as the survey is launched, you find it at any time on your homepage. Click on Animate. Here, you may follow the group's progress. Then you can visualize the results under different forms, for example, the result of the multiple choice question. Thanks to Survey, gather a maximum amount of feedback and get consolidated results automatically.